Here stands Liebherr-Werk Telfs, one of the world's most advanced heavy machinery production sites. Inside these walls, the famous PR series crawler dozers are built with unmatched engineering.
Today, we take you inside the factory, where raw steel transforms into powerful machines.
Here, precision is everything. Every cut, edge, and angle must be flawless.
Each surface and hole is machined to exact Liebherr specifications. Bending machines curve the metal into forms essential for structural strength.
From here, we move into the heart of the factory, the welding shop.
This is where steel components unite to form the rugged skeletons of crawler dozers.
Okay, bring it down slow, easy now. Looks good, set it down right there.
These jigs hold every component in exact alignment to maintain strict tolerances.
Their consistency ensures strength, reliability, and precision across every machine. Parallel to the frame assembly, another line focuses on blade fabrication. Intermittent cooling and measurements keep the blade within tight tolerances. Behind this line, the ripper assemblies take shape. These heavy, plow-like tools mount at the rear of the dozer. These heavy, plow-like tools mount at the rear of the dozer. Rippers must withstand enormous bending forces when tearing into hard ground.
Multiple weld layers add strength and resilience to every joint.
Laser measurement systems verify dimensions down to fractions of a millimeter.
Any deviations are corrected immediately to meet Liebherr standards.
Once approved, the components move toward assembly and final integration.
Here, engines,
hydraulics, electronics, and frames come together.
From raw steel to a finished giant, this is how a Liebherr crawler dozer comes to life.